Isn't it the same struggle every day? How do I complete the syllabus? How do I maintain the consistency? What to study and what not to study? How do I manage my time? And how do I complete my optional? And then again, how can I remember this all? It is the same for everyone. And I totally understand what you are going through right now. Hi, this is Priyanshu Maheshwari, Senior Mentor at Adda 24/7. From last 12 years, I have been mentoring candidates to excel in their respective career. But here's the thing. All the problems that I have discussed, trust me, all these are solvable problems. You can learn how to manage your syllabus. You can learn how to manage your time. But all you need is the right support and guidance. That's it. And that's what exactly I want to share with you. What are the small changes that you can make? What kind of schedule you can keep? Where you can look for the right study material, etc. And I would like you to learn from my experiences so that journey is smoother than others. Quite frankly, I'm inviting you to share my experience with you. I'm hoping that you would learn from these experiences and clear the exam on your first attempt. Remember, you can definitely clear this exam and I would like to share everything with you. Do join me on the webinar at 11 a.m. on 11 December and we can solve the problems together. Thank you.